Okay, I found an interesting glitch in the Studio Beta, and a lot of people were having trouble with it. So when you go to Analytics, and it opens up, and you move over to Interested Viewers, and you click on this. So if you click on this window called Top Videos, it's going to open you up to a video list page. But what it doesn't do is it doesn't explain how you get from this page back to your Studio Beta. So most people would intuitively go to the left and click on this box. Well, it just brings up a couple different things. It's got videos, it's got my channel. Now if I go here and I click on channel, what happens? Nothing. I'm like, wait a minute, that didn't work. Let's go, well, these are individual videos. If I click on them, I don't know what's going to happen. That's not going to bring me back to Studio Beta. So let's take a look and see if I can get a Studio Beta here. No. What about this group? No, it wants me to create a group. How the heck do I get back? It's very simple. All you do is take your cursor and you slide it all the way to the right, to the very top, and there's a little X here. You just click on that X. Bam, I'm right back in Analytics. Interested Viewer. Now, this top video box comes up in a couple different places. If you click here, it brings you to the same page, and you have the same problem. And it's basically a list of all your videos. On this page, you can look at the analytics for the individual video. You can watch the video. It tells you your impressions. It tells you how many click-through rate was, how many views, the average duration, all that stuff. But to get out of this, you need to go all the way over here to the right, find that X, click on it, and it brings you back to where you started, which is now an overview. So let's go and look. That says when you click into this top video box or window, it's going to take you to that video list page of the individual videos where you can do things with that individual video. Once you get there, that's how you get out. So it's on the overview. If we go to this one, it's not here. If we go to Interested Viewers, there it is. If we go to Build an Audience, it's not there. And if we go to Earned Income, Top Earning Videos, let's see what happens if we click here. Yep. Looks like it brings us back to that page. So this page is brought up in a number of different areas. Every time you get to this page, if you want to get back to Studio Beta, come over here to the top right corner, click it, and bamza whamza. You're right back to where you started earned revenue. Now if I want to go back to my videos, I can click here. Brings me back to my videos. I can bring me back my dashboard or whatever. So that's how you do it. Quick and easy. Done.